What's up, YouTube? Today we're doing another unboxing video. Right now we have the Dark Side of Dementia's Movie Pack Secret Edition. We picked this up at Walmart, brand new box. I think the movie came out a little while ago, but they're still selling cards, so we'll see what we have in store. So this box comes with 3 Yu-Gi-Oh! Dark Side of Dementia's booster packs, 1 of 2 ultra rare iconic monsters from the movie, 1 of 2 ultra rare variant cards, and 1 of 2 ultra rare art versions of the Egyptian God cards. So that's kind of cool. So we're gonna get a guaranteed God card. That's how I take it. So let's see what's inside here. And okay, right off the bat we have, whoa, what is this? It's the security card. The security card is what helps us trigger the Walmart alarm. So there's a little bit of plastic there. I guess that's how it works. And let's get started with the come in a nice pack of plastic here. We got 3 cards, and these are the Super Art variant cards. So first off, we have Duza, the Meteor Cubic Vessel. That was a card that, what's this guy's name? That guy. Used against Yugi in the movie. The movie is kind of weird. It had odd graphics. It seemed like they tried to do a little over the top just for the sake of over the topness. They got away from the original artwork, but whatever. It was still fun to watch. Good to see Yugi back in on the big screen, and we'll see. So this guy has 1,600 attack, 1,600 defense. Kind of nice, rare card there. We'll read the effect later. Blue Eyes White Dragon. It's about time they make a white dragon. During the regular Yu-Gi-Oh series, there's always a Blue Eyes Blue Dragon, but no one ever seems to say anything about that. This is kind of nice little artwork. Look at that glare there. Okay. Very cool. Yeah, 3,000 attack, 2,500 defense, and we have Obelisk the Tormentor. This is the card that Kaiba was able to summon out of pure will. Willpower. This guy was like, I will not lose, and by golly, he summoned Obelisk the Tormentor. So I would imagine this is a playable version. No, never mind. It doesn't have like a serial number on the bottom of the card like these do. This one's missing a serial number here. So this is probably just for fandom and artsy people. So we'll see. I'll probably end up using it in my own personal duels because screw the rules. So first pack here. Let's see what cards we get. Let's be a little OCD when we open the packages. Only got 3. So first off, we have Dragon's Fighting Spirit. Quick play card. That was special summon. Okay, let's do special summon dragon furniture. Very cool. Who's this? Crimson Nova, the Dark Cubic Lord. Yeah, that movie went overboard with a bunch of cubic monsters. They try to introduce like the eye, this kind of weird little eye in all the movies, but I don't know. Too many stars. It's going to take a lot of stuff to continuously summon them. Another cubic monster. A bunch of eyes with it. This one's actually had a really good effect. So they'd probably come in handy in any of your decks. Kiwi Magician Girl. Yeah, they went all fruitsy with the Magician Girls, but whatever. I'll read her effect later. During either player's turn, you can discard this card, Magician Girl. Monsters you currently control gain 300 attack and defense for each Magician Girl monster with different names on the field. Okay, so it's a Magician Girl variant. Lord Gaia, the Fierce Knight. That was kind of cool. If your opponent controls a monster and you control no monsters, you can special summon this card. That alone makes it worth it. This is a fantastic card. This is definitely going to be added to my deck. Fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. Second movie pack card. Here we go. So these are the variants that we don't, Okay, here we go. Put this little camera angle here. Oops. Oh, wow. Oh, look. Clear Karibo. Okay, so another Karibo edition. Dark Magic Veil. Apple Magician Girl. So we got a lot of Fruit Magician Girls today. That's pretty cool. She probably has her own note here. Let me read it off screen real quick. Once returning, if this card is targeted for an attack, you can special summon 1 level 5 lower spellcaster monster. This is definitely being added to my deck. Countergate. When an opponent monster declares a direct attack, negate the attack. Awesome. Dark Horizon. What was it?
And draw a card as well.
Oh, and you get a draw card and Dark Horizon. So these are actually pretty good cards. I'm pretty pleased with this. I wish I had a bigger deck. Ha, just kidding. My deck's big enough. I'll have to edit something about that in the comment section. I won't hear at the end of it. Oh, piece of luck. Cubic Karma. Well, I guess that's the karma you get. Okay, for talking about the cubics. Cubic Rebirth. Kaiser Vorse Raider. Okay, one of Kaiba's variant cards, pretty cool. And Cubic Wave. And one mass more Pandemic Dragon. Pandemic Dragon sounds kind of like the coronavirus going on right now. But that's it. Those are the 3 packs. Not too many cards, but definitely good ones and a lot of variant art. So that's kind of neat. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Check us out for more content, and we'll be back later.